Look at her from this angle. You can see her face.
Another heavy.
Now that she's stopped.
Oh, she's gonna get the dog. Riley! Riley! Last night we called her Riley. You'd hold her and she would just spin it all the time. Oh. We had to take turns. In a couple of weeks, Kyle should probably be on her hands and her knees.
Riley.
Making that noise.
Riley.
Where you going?
Hi. Hi.
She sounds like a cartoon baby in the morning. She was crawling towards this
Riley.
point. She's like, she's making all these
Riley.
little noises like
Oh, what's
a
that?
cartoon baby. This is fine until she rolls and hits her head on the leg of the table.
Or pulls the leaves.
It's your property.
Well, good.